Hi there, my name is Yao and you are welcome to the first lesson that features my face in it. Coming right up. Okay, so today being my first day, I decided to choose a topic that I consider quite simple so that it's easy for me to teach and then easy for you to grasp. That's the whole point, right? Okay, so what are we looking at today? We are looking at 4 ways to ask someone of his or her name. In Twi, of course. So when you meet up with somebody in English, you simply ask, "What is your name?" And the person will respond, right? But fortunately for us in Twi, we have 4 ways to ask the same thing. And that is going to be our focus for today's discussion. If you are new here, you are welcome to the official YouTube channel of LEARNAKAN.com. This is a channel dedicated to helping you to read, write, and speak the Akan language of Ghana. So please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy any of our lessons, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we'll appreciate that. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's just jump right to the first one. So the first phrase on our list to use to ask someone of his name is wo din de same. Within the same. Within the same. So we have wo, which is the possessive adjective your, and then we have din from edin, which is name, and then we have de, which within this context is, and then we have same, which is what. Okay, so what we are basically saying here is your name is what? Within the same. Within the same. Within the same. Okay. The second one on our list is ye fre wo saying. Ye fre wo saying. Ye fre wo saying. Okay. So we have ye from yen, which is we, and then we have fre, which is the verb to call, and then we have wo, you, and then we have saying what, you remember from the first one. Okay, so what we are basically saying here is we call you what. Okay, Yefre was saying. Yefre was saying. The third one is wo fre wo saying. Wo fre was saying. What Fred was saying. Okay, so we have wo from one, which is they, and then we have fre again to call, and then we have wo, you, and then saying what. All right, so here we are saying they call you what. What Fred was saying. What Fred was saying. And then the final one is wo they saying. What they saying. What they saying. This is like the simplest, right? What they saying. And for this one, we are basically saying you are named what. Okay, what they saying. What they saying. So you should go ahead and start using these to ask your Twi speaking friends of their names. Yeah, I know you know already, but you should keep on worrying them until you get them right. Okay, and you can be nice by adding, for example, Onya Yefre was saying. Minya within the same. Ohima Yefre was saying. Oh, Ahofe within the same. Okay? Yeah. 2 things to note about these questions. The first one is that there are no fast rules about when to use any of them. Okay? So it doesn't matter the place or the time. You can go ahead and use within the same, Yefre was saying, Wofre was saying, or what they saying, and it works. Except to say that if the person that you are asking the name of is someone that you consider to be of high repute, or maybe an elderly person, then you should probably show some respect by starting out with me power chel. You know that one, right? Please, me power chel, or the short form me pa chel. Okay, so you can go ahead and say me power chel. Your friend was saying. Me pa chow within the same. Me pa chow what the same. me pa chel wo frɛ wo sen. Okay. The second point to note, and this comes from my personal experiences, is that the most common amongst the four are the first two. So the ones that you hear more often when you're in Ghana are within the same, the first one, and then ye frɛ wo sen, the second one, ye frɛ wo sen. Okay. So when you're in Ghana, I'm sure you are going to hear more of those two, but hey, maybe your experiences may be different from mine, and then you will hear more of the other two than the first two. But either ways, it pays to know all four so that you have a variety to choose from wherever you find yourself. And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you next time.